In this video, I am going to discuss about the various uses of these different types of minerals. See, number one, it is iron ore. In your syllabus, these are there. Iron ore, manganese, copper, and last is bauxite. So, iron ore. First, we will discuss about this. So, iron ore, it's a ferrous metallic mineral. Ferrous means the iron content is present more in such mineral. Obviously, that's why it is iron ore. Basically, this iron ore is found everywhere in this world. Okay. And this is the main raw material of the iron and steel industry, which is one of the largest industries in the world. So, what are the basic uses? Number one, for constructional purpose, without iron ore, it's not possible to construct any building or anything. So, number one, construction. Number two, metallurgy. Like to prepare some metal, to form some metals, this iron ore is important. Number three, cosmetics. In various types of cosmetics, like in lipstick, in this eyeshadow, there are iron ore present. And the name of this iron ore is blue iron ore. Okay. Next is medicine industry. Okay, for testing some things and all, this iron ore plays an important role. Then printing ink and then auto parts. In printing ink means you want to print something. In that particular ink, this iron ore is present. And then in automobile industry, obviously the cars, the rail wagons, the totos, these are also made up of this kind of minerals. Okay. So basically this will come under automobile industry, and in automobile industry the iron ore plays an important role. It's the basic raw material. And everywhere, if you look into any other industry, you can find that without iron, it is not possible to develop any kind of industry. That's why iron or iron ore is known as the backbone of all industries. It is very important question. Please note it down. What do you mean by backbone, or what is known as backbone of all industries? The answer will be iron ore. Why? Because to develop any kind of industry, we need to rely on iron ore. Next, let's move on the next mineral, that is manganese. Okay, manganese also helps in developing iron and steel industry with the help of, if you mix manganese with iron ore. So what are the basic uses? Like in steel making, then black enamel, to prepare some black enamel. In glass industry it is also used. Then to create or to form the dry cell battery, manganese is there. Then manganese is also used in a form of a number of different alloys. And number 6, it is also acting as a vital enzymes, okay, in medicine industry. So this is all about manganese. In your book, other points are also there. Please try to read, try to learn about 4 points from each of the minerals. Number 3, that is copper. Copper is also non-ferrous mineral. Why it is non-ferrous? Because iron content in such mineral is very less. Okay. And copper is our primitive mode of mineral or primitive types of mineral. Number 1, it is a good conductor of electricity. Number 2, it is also used in defense industry and automobile industry. And iron is alloyed with zinc and it will create brass. And if it will be alloyed with tin, it will create bronze. So this is the basic features of copper. And copper is also lightweighted, and in nowadays in various in making some utensils and the automobile industries, to make some transportation modes, we can use the copper. Then last is bauxite. What is this? It is very lightweighted and it is generally the oxide of aluminium. Okay, so the basic use are, number 1, the rail wagons and in automobile industry. Same. See, everywhere the minerals are engaged in developing the automobile industry and so on. And bauxite has a specific use, like Nowadays, bauxite is also used as a headlight reflector and in the mirrors of the telescope. So these are the uses of bauxite. Now where you can find such type of minerals? Iron ore, it is famous and it is available throughout the world obviously, but near the industries of coal and that iron steel you can find this. Now manganese in southern India like Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra obviously, and in northern India UP, Bihar, in this region you can find manganese. Copper is also famous in Maharashtra, Gujarat, some parts of Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. And bauxite in the hilly regions, because bauxite is associated with laterite soil. Okay, in hilly regions and in peninsular India, you can find this. So in every state there are some specific districts where you can find this minerals in an abundant manner. So please go through this district from each state. At least try to learn two districts. It will be enough for you all. And for your better understanding, please go through this chapter very well. Okay, so this is all about this mineral resources. In our next video, we will proceed towards the new chapter, that is the energy sources. Till now.